Hi everyone, it's Tish with Naptime Creations. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. It's free and it'll help me out a lot, so hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be making some holographic resin dragonflies, so let's jump in and get started. We're going to be pouring these in 2 layers. I'm going to be using black holographic glitter for this first layer on this piece on the top, and blueberry sparkle glitter from Laura's Art Corner for this piece on the bottom. And when I pour the line details in these silicone molds, I'll mix up my glitter in one of these little cups, and then I'll take that and pour it into a different cup and only fill that up about halfway. If your cup is too full, it's going to be hard to get a nice controlled pour. And you can see right here, I kind of messed up a little bit. We're going to go in and fix that. I'll show you how to fix it really easy. Don't mess with it. Let the resin kind of level out, and then you can fix it really easily. And I'll show you that here in a second. So I just pour and then fill up my cup a little bit more as I need to. You don't want to fill up your cup too much, otherwise it's hard to get a controlled pour. And you can get these little cups from S Resin. I'll link them down below along with my coupon code. They're great for projects like this. You can get a really nice controlled pour with them. So here I'm just taking my gloved finger, fixing that little oopsie that I did, and it comes right off. Wiped my finger off on my parchment paper, and that's an easy way to fix it. Same thing on this dragonfly on the bottom. We're going in with the blueberry sparkle glitter, just filling in the line details. And I'm using the liquid diamonds today. It's great for projects like this because it has hardly any bubbles. I'll link it down below along with my coupon code if you guys want to get some to try. I did mix up my resin off camera just to save time, but if you're new to resin and you want to see how I mix my liquid diamonds, I will link my video down below showing how I do that. I have a short 1-minute video showing you step by step how to mix your liquid diamonds resin. So I'm just going to finish filling this up, and that's really going to be it for layer number 1. I didn't add any heat to this to pop bubbles, just let it dry overnight. Here we are the next day. We're going in with some of my water lily glitter. You can get this from my Etsy shop. It's a gorgeous iridescent chunky mixology light blue glitter. I'll link my Etsy shop down below if you want to check out the few different colors of glitter I have available for purchase. And I'm just going in and filling the molds up the rest of the way. I'm using the liquid diamonds for this as well. This is just liquid diamonds clear resin mixed in with that glitter, the water lily glitter. Just gonna take my time, pour a little bit, let it kind of level out. You don't want to overfill these. Just let it over kind of level, and then you can add more if you need to. It's always harder to take it out than it is to add a little bit more. Just going to finish filling these up, and that's pretty much it. Super easy to make these. I will link these molds down below as well. They have the holographic effect embedded inside the mold, so anything you make inside this mold is going to turn out holographic just like these pieces. I let them dry overnight. Here we are ready to take it out of the mold. I was so excited to see how this turned out. I absolutely love, love, love it. So gorgeous and holographic. And you could, get really creative, use a few different colors of glitter if you wanted to fill up the second layer of this piece. It's up to you. You can do any colors you want. I just wanted to go with one color, keep it simple and easy, and not use a holographic color on the second layer. That kind of gives your eyes a chance to rest because the entire mold is holographic. So using a non-holographic color gives your eyes a little bit of a chance to rest. But here's how this black one turned out. Love, love, love how this one turned out too. Really quickly, I'm going to show you how I attach my hardware and turn these into suncatchers. So what I do is I just take my little drill here. You can get this off Amazon. It's super easy to use. I'll link it down below. I take a good look at it, figure out where I want to drill my hole, very carefully hold it in my hand, and make sure you wear gloves and a mask when you do this. You don't want to breathe in the dust from the drilling. That kind of gets kicked up in the air and it's not good to breathe in, so make sure you have a mask on when you do this. And I just drill my hole. I like to kind of count to 5 when I do this, and then I take my drill out, clean off the dust with a microfiber cloth, go in with the eye screw. You can get these eye screws off Amazon as well. I don't add any glue or resin or UV resin to these. I just screw them in as is, and you can feel it tightening up as you screw it into your resin piece. These resin pieces are very lightweight, so I haven't found that you need to add glue or resin or anything to the eye screw. I know some people do that, but over time I found it's just an unnecessary extra step. You could definitely do that if you wanted to and be extra sure, but I just like to do it this way. And then I attach my glass crystal beads. These actually all come on one piece with the glass crystal beads and the jump rings all attached already. So all you have to do is open up one of the jump rings with your fingernail, attach it to that eye screw, and you're good to go. Super easy to do. Here's how they turned out. Let me know what you think. I hope you give this a try. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Naptime Creations, and definitely go check out my Etsy shop. Go check out the glitters that I have available for purchase. I will link my Etsy shop down below in the description box, along with all the materials that I used in today's video and with any coupon codes that I have. So if you guys want to get any of these products to try, you'll get a little bit of extra savings. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all so much. Let me know which one's your favorite down in the comments, if you like this black piece or the blue one better. I love to hear from you guys down in the comments. I hope you guys are all doing wonderful, and I will see you soon for another video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, guys.